Jump and splash. Dive into English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fun and vivid English phrases, jump and splash. These words are not just simple actions, but they carry a deeper meaning in everyday language. Let's dive in and discover the beauty of these phrases. Jump, a word that instantly brings to mind an action of leaping off the ground. But did you know it's more than just a physical movement? In English, jump is often used metaphorically. For example, when someone says, jump at the opportunity, it means to eagerly seize a chance. It's about taking action with enthusiasm and not just a literal jump. Now, let's make a splash. While it literally means causing water to scatter in drops, in everyday language, it's all about creating an impact. If someone says, she made a big splash in the fashion industry, it means she created a significant, noticeable impact. It's about standing out and being recognized. Let's see these phrases in real-life scenarios. Imagine someone getting a new job opportunity. They might say, I'm ready to jump into this new role. Here, jump symbolizes eagerness to start. Or, consider a new artist in the music scene who quickly gains popularity. People might say, he's really making a splash in the music world. This indicates his significant and noticeable impact. Understanding phrases like jump and splash adds color and depth to our communication. It's not just about the words, but the vivid images and emotions they convey. We hope this video helps you in grasping the essence of these lively English phrases. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be making a splash with your English skills. See you in the next video.